6, that is integers. So already you have learned about natural numbers and whole numbers. We will have a quick recap about this natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers means it will start from 1, counting numbers. You know that 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. that are known as natural numbers. Whole numbers means we have to include 0 to this one. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So these are known as whole numbers. So we got natural numbers and whole numbers. Next we are going to the next group of number system, that is integers. Integers means we are adding one more group of numbers in that one, that is negative numbers. So the group of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 are known as integers. So negative numbers means it will come to the left side of 0. So I am starting negative 3, it will continue here. This is also infinity. So negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this way. So this group are known as integers. Integers means they include 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we will see how we can represent these negative numbers and positive numbers on a number line, and in day-to-day life where we are using these positive numbers and negative numbers. So I have drawn the number line here. So the number line is here. You can see this one. This is the number line. So here you can see 0 is there. 0 is there in the middle of the number line. In the middle of the number line you have to represent 0. Right hand side you will have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and left hand side you will have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Near to 0 right hand side you should have plus 1, and near to 0 left hand side you should have negative 1. Suppose you want to mark positive 3, that means it is here. Suppose you want to mark minus 4, that means negative 4, so that is here. So this is negative 4 and this is positive 3. I will repeat once again, 0 should be in the middle, and right hand side you will have positive numbers and left hand side you will have negative numbers. Like this here you have to represent the numbers on a number line. And I already told you that in the daily day-to-day life where we are using these positive numbers and negative numbers. You know that suppose we want to deposit the money in the bank, that means it will give profit to us. That means the account is increasing, the amount is increasing in our account. So that is represented by positive. That means you are depositing, means depositing money means it that you can take it as positive. So withdrawal, you are taking money from the bank, that is negative. Withdrawing money means that is negative. So profit means positive and loss means negative. So height above the ground, you know that when you are taking the x-axis and y-axis, so here above means you will have positive and down means you will have negative. Right hand side means you will have positive. Here in the number line also you are representing it as positive. Left hand side means you will have negative. So these are the some of the situations where we are using these positive numbers and negative numbers.
Exercise 4.1. 1. Write true or false against each of the following statements. A. Minus 7 is on the right side of minus 6 on the number line. Let us consider a number line of integers. First, mark minus 6 on the number line and left and right. From the figure, we see that minus 7 is on the left side of minus 6. So, above statement is false. B. 0 is a positive integer. Consider the integers number line. 0 is at the center. On the right side of it are positive numbers, on the left side of it are negative numbers. 0 is not a positive integer, so above statement is false. C. 29 is on the right side of 0 on the number line. Consider number line from 0 to 30. Mark 0 and 29. From the figure, we observe that 29 is on the right side of 0 on the number line, so above statement is true. D. minus 1 lies between the integers minus 2 and 1. Identify minus 1, minus 2 and 1. Clearly from the figure, minus 1 lies between minus 2 and 1. So above statement is true. E. There are 9 integers between minus 5 and plus 5. Take the number line of integers, mark minus 5 and plus 5 and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clearly there are 9 integers between minus 5 and plus 5, so it is true. Second, choose the following number line and answer the following questions. A. Which is the nearest positive integer to minus 1? Clearly 1 is the nearest positive integer to minus 1. B. How many negative integers you will find on the left side of 0? They are clearly 5. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. C. How many integers are there in between minus 3 and 7? Identify minus 3 and 7 on the number line. And we observe that there are 9 integers in between minus 3 and 7. Write 3 integers less than minus 2. They are minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So 3 integers lesser than minus 2 are minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Write 3 integers more than minus 2. They are minus 1, 0, 1. So 3 integers more than minus 2 are minus 1, 0 and 1. 3. Represent the integers on a number line as given below. A. Integers lie between minus 7 and minus 2. Now, in between minus 7 and minus 2, there are 4. They are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. In between minus 2 and minus 5, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, integers lie between them are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.